Alright, let's try running terraform init. This command will initialize the backend and then download the provider plugins. And yep, here we go, an error. Incompatible provider version. If you've recently switched to a Mac with Apple Silicon, like an M1 or M2, you'll probably run into this error when running terraform init. That's because hashicorp doesn't provide the template provider for the ARM platform by default. But don't worry, there's an easy way to fix it. If we look into the message details, it says this provider version doesn't have a package available for your current platform, Darwin ARM64, which makes sense since I'm on AMAP M1. Alright, let's try and fix this error. I'm gonna type in brew install. Let me just copy and paste it here to make it quick. What I'm doing here is installing the terraform-provider-helper for my Mac M1. Now let's activate the helper using this command. As you can see, it's now activated. Next, we're going to install the hashicorp template provider for the required version, which in this case is v2.2.0. Wait for that to finish. Alright, we've successfully installed the template provider. Let's try running terraform init again. And there you go, problem solved. I hope you found this helpful, and I see you in the next video.